Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into something that makes the traditional implementation of storage for Kubernetes much less painful: Dell Container Storage Modules 1.16. If you've ever looked at your cluster and thought, why is storage like this? Good news, CSM 1.16 brings more simplicity, more performance, and more platform support than ever. So buckle up, or at least swivel comfortably in that fancy ergonomic chair, and let's talk about what's new. First up, why should you care? CSM 1.16 is all about reducing friction. You know how Kubernetes can sometimes feel like you're trying to store your groceries in a house where every cabinet has a different key? CSM 1.16 says, no thanks. It unifies storage behavior across PowerStore, PowerFlex, PowerMax, and PowerScale, giving technical teams predictable deployments, better metrics, and fewer surprises in production. Whether you're a platform engineer, a solution architect, or that one person everyone calls when storage mysteriously slows down, this release is built with you in mind. Let's talk simplicity, and not the kind you get from deleting your entire cluster. CSM 1.16 brings a cleaner, guided install experience using the CSM operator and Dell CTL. Think fewer steps and way fewer opportunities to accidentally deploy your driver into the wrong namespace because you copied a YAML from 2021. Offline installs are now supported too, which is awesome for secure data centers or air-gapped environments. This one's a crowd favorite: observability. If you've ever stared at a Grafana dashboard at 2 a.m. wondering why your cluster is acting like it's had too much espresso, CSM's observability module has your back. You get expanded metrics for PowerFlex, PowerMax, PowerStore, and PowerScale, tied into dashboards that give end-to-end visibility from Kubernetes objects down to the storage array. It's like turning on night vision goggles for your storage layer, but less spooky. Performance time. For PowerFlex users, CSM 1.16 brings NVMe over TCP support, faster, smoother, and nobody has to install the SDC on every worker node anymore. PowerStore adds both async and sync file replication, as well as improved Metro failover behaviors. PowerMax improves provisioning through updated Unisphere automation. CSM 1.16 now supports N-3 OpenShift releases, SUSE virtualization, and new KubeVirt versions, making it easier to bring VMs and containers under one operational umbrella. ObjectScale gets cozy support, making bucket operations feel much more Kubernetes native. Support for new PowerFlex and PowerScale releases keeps everything future-ready. Security time. Don't worry, we'll keep it brief. CSM 1.16 reduces redundant configurations across multiple platforms and introduces OIDC support for PowerFlex. It's our back, clean, centralized, and much less likely to start a 37-thread Slack argument. CSM 1.16 brings a unified operator-driven install flow, better performance where it counts, richer observability, broader platform coverage, smoother security and authentication flows. In short, more capability, less operational overhead. If you want to dive deeper, check out dell.github.io/csmdocs. And if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and hit like and subscribe, or drop a comment with the funniest Kubernetes error message you've ever encountered. Bonus points if it involved a missing colon. Thanks for watching, and happy deploying.